We've hired a total of 5 individuals at this point, and they really all 5 fall amongst 3 different roles. We hired one and had such a great experience with the first, we decided to jump in head first. And I think within 2 or 3 weeks, we had the 4 others hired, and we'll be coming back for more individuals here rather soon. The recruiting with your firm has been pretty spectacular. We laid out really some basic criteria of what we were looking for. Your organization presented a number of candidates, and very rarely in the interview process have I found situations where out of, let's say, 3 or 4 interviews, you could have hired, all 3 or 4 if you wanted. In fact, in one round, we ended up hiring 2 of those individuals from the round of interviews. So the quality of the candidates that you presented to us has been exceptional. So the candidates that were presented to us speak exceptional English. I mean, there might be some accents, but they're not unlike the accents that we would pull from the labor pool here in Southern California. You would think these individuals were working out of our office here in Southern California. I think we just felt that your organization was very reputable. It's more in line with probably some of the recruiting relationships that we have here in the States if we're recruiting executives. Or it seemed like a comfortable system for us, and has proven to be such. Absolutely. I've already recommended you to, I belong to a business group, and we meet on a monthly basis, 8 or 9 other business owners or key executives, and I talked about you at our last meeting. For those that have not gone down this route, they're missing out.